Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundra for all those who are new here, and if you're new, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button and help me. For this video, I thought that I'll show you all of the things that I have bought in the last 2 months. So the last 2 months have, we've seen a lot of sales on Sugar, on Mamaearth, on Amazon, on Nykaa, and so I thought I'll make a good use of it. And so I bought a few items. Some are essential items, some are things that I needed just to shoot a lot of videos and everything. So I'll show them one by one. One disclaimer, the prices that I'll be mentioning in the video are the prices that the products are of as now. The sales are over, so I'm not sure if you'll get it in that price, so that is why I'll just put the original prices in the somewhere around here or in the description box. So let's get started. The first product that I have is this, which is the Face Shop's Rice Ceramide Face Toner. So I always wanted a toner, I wanted a toner since a long time, but because I was here and there was no toner available, I was just not using a toner, I was using a serum instead. But I know the importance of toner and hence I picked up this one. This is a moisturizing toner and this is 150 ml. It is about for 700 rupees, I guess. I'll just put that exact price somewhere here. I've not used it much, I've just bought it. I have not used it that much as of now as I'm shooting, but I will put a full review of this on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me. I put a lot of product reviews out there, so you might check out the review of this one. In case that review goes live before this video does, I'll link that link in the description box. So the second product that I got are these cotton vibes. I don't know if you call them cotton vibes, if you call them cotton pads, but these are 70 pieces in a pack, and I think you get 2 of them. I think you get 2 in like a bundle or something, and these are good for removing makeup, applying toner, and just correcting makeup wherever it goes wrong. So I use this a lot. This got over when I came to Raipur, so I was like, okay, let's stock up on this one. So the next items that I have are these cute little mini lipsticks from Sugar. So these are in the shades Tan Fam, Wine Shine, Drop Dead Red, and Wood by Nude. So these are like perfect 4 shades that you should have in your collection. If you like wearing lipsticks, these are perfect 4 shades. You can use this for lipstick, glam, wedding looks, and a normal neutral look. So this come in a box and you can select the shades that you want. Sugar is an affordable category brand, and you can get good deals on this one. The next 2 things I got when there was sale on Mamaearth, which was 1-on-1. And these are the 2 products that I got. This is their Neem face mask and their C3 face mask. I'm a hoarder of Mamaearth products. I love their products. They're paraben free. They're all organic. They're made with organic ingredients, and they're just good for skin. Okay, so this one I use for when I have acne, most of the year that is. But when I have acne, and this one is more for just getting that brightness, to remove that dullness of the face. So this one is this. If you have normal skin, you can use this one. My sister uses this and she loves it. The next product that I wanted to try from a long time, and since my shower gel was over, I thought of trying the Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender Shower Gel. So these are available in a lot of variants, and I wanted to try this one just for the sake because it has lavender in it. So this is about for 300 ml, about for 300 something rupees. So I have not used the product much to give you like a full review, but the thing that is on top of my head is that we were using the shower gel from Fiamma before, and I have given a full review on that on the Product Empties video. I'll link that video right here. That used to keep smelling even after we got out of the showers for at least good 40-45 minutes. This one doesn't smell so elaborately well. So yeah, that's the only thing that we've been missing out on this one, but it lathers well. So I'll give a full review once this gets empty. For the next makeup item that I picked up was this one is the highlighter palette for anyone who is beginning out. This is a very good palette. It's very affordable and you know it's good to go. I have created a look using this palette. I will link that video right here. It's a very easy go, like quick look that from affordable products and in Hindi. So do check that video out. Yeah. The second thing that I got was this palette. So this is the Nykaa Daydreaming eyeshadow palette, and this is a 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette with some browns and some pinks, and then you have like a light shimmer shade here. This is a very good palette for anyone who's beginning out. I've removed the brush, it's mostly of no use, but yeah, this palette you can do like a neutral makeup and then you can glam it up with these shades. So it's a good palette to have. It's quite affordable. And yeah, it's for about $5.99 I guess, so quite in the affordable range. The last makeup item that I have is this. This is the Brow Girl eyebrow pencil, and I've been using this since the day I bought it, like since the day it got delivered. I was using other pencil there, but then the problem with that pencil was that it did not have a spoolie, and I didn't have a spoolie, so I thought buying a product with the spoolie just makes it much easier. So this one has a product on one end and this one has a spoolie on one end, so it just makes the job easier. I have a tutorial on how to use this. I'll link it right here. You can go and check it out. I have been using it about since like what, 15-20 days, so can't give you a full review, but as of now I'm liking the product. When you started using so much of makeup and you know you do makeup videos, you need one very important thing, the mirror. Now I don't know how to show this mirror to you because if you can see here, the reflection is coming. So this is the mirror that I got. This is from Amazon and I'll link it here. This is a good table side mirror and you know it's a video में आ रही है. Okay, so this is a good table side mirror, and from on one side it has like the magnifying thing and the other side it's like a basic thing, so it basically helps you to, you know, look, zoom in into your makeup, zoom out of your makeup, and yeah, pretty handy. Pink color. The next things that I bought from Amazon are, one is this I don't know what it is called. It's like that thingy which goes into your hair, and so there's a button here and then you can wrap your wet hair and just join it here so that you know it's like a towel for your hair. I don't know exactly what it is called, but that is what it is. The only problem with this one that I got was I didn't know that it comes in sizes, so it is a little small for my hair. Like the ends of my hair don't go into it, so it gets a little difficult to, you know, you have to fold your hair and then put it in. But as compared to what it does with soaking of the water on the hair, it does a decent job, but the length creates a little problem for me, so I don't know if I should recommend this for buying or not. But if you have shorter hair, this is a good purchase. You know, you can just tie it on your hair and just leave it. You don't need an extra towel to do that. And now, because the lockdown has helped us reconnect to our previous hobbies, I reconnect to reading books. And the books that I got are from Amazon, and these are the 3 books that I got. I'll tell you one by one. So the first book that I got was Devdutt Patnaik, Ramayana Mahabharat. मतलब रामायण महाभारत हर घर में चल रहा है अभी. So I wanted to read this one. It's a good book. It has described the similarities and the differences of both of these epics written in a very good manner, in a very subtle manner, and in a very like descriptive manner. I didn't know a lot of stories which are present in this book, and I didn't know for sure the comparisons between the 2 epics. So yeah, now when I read it, I'm like, oh yeah, they do relate. But yeah, this is a good book to read. It's very light. It does not have a lot of like deep shloks, Sanskrit shloks, and etc. So just a good grab. I've also read the Hanuman Chalisa by Devdutt Patnaik, and that is an amazing book. That is an amazing book. You should definitely read it. Let me know if you want me to do a video on 10 books that I recommend. Like, just let me know in the description box, and I can make that video for you. The second book that I started reading was this one, The Courage to Be Disliked. This is, I think, like a follow-up book for Ikigai, if you've not read Ikigai. And this one was suggested by Akriti Rana, who's a YouTuber, and I started reading this. I'm almost halfway through. It has like that philosophical stories that that you can relate with, and the places where you face insecurities, the places where you face some problems, where you feel that no one likes you and things like that. It's just a good book to give you courage to go beyond that. The third book I think has become very popular, at least on my Instagram, is The Daily Stoic. So The Daily Stoic is a book where you can just, if you open this, you'll see that there are daily quotes and stories to be read. So it just keeps you sane. My belief on books is that we know everything, okay? We as in, if someone will tell you that you should do this and you should not do, you definitely know, like you're already aware of what you should be doing, but just a reminder from someone helps you go through it. So this book is that reminder, and it has daily pages, and I keep posting all the daily pages on Instagram. So again, if you're not following me, please follow me on Instagram. There's a lot of updates there. This one is a highly recommended book. So if you've not read it or you don't have it, please get one. It's just one page, hardly 15 lines to read daily, and yep, you really like it. Okay, moving on to the last thing, but my most fancy purchase is, hold on, drum rolls please.
Music.
Yeah, so this is 18 inches long. This I got from Amazon, and this slide, like, it twists to about 360 degrees. So in case you're taking like a shot on the table, you can do that really well. The next good part about this is the phone holder that comes right here, and you can attach your phone to it, and yep, it's movable, so it just gets easier with that. The next thing is that it has these screws which you can unlock, and then you can just extend the height of the thing, and or decrease the height, whatever you want. Also, it does not run on electricity, so it has like this USB button which you can plug into your laptop and use it. So that is another very good part. So this has been doing really well. So yeah, that ring light has been doing really great, and a lot of people had inquiries about it, that where did you get the ring light from, how much it is for. So it's for about 1800, and I got it for a reason, that I wanted to use a ring light, like a cheaper ring light, just to see if I am able to use it, and if I'm able to, then I'll purchase a bigger one. So that is why I got this one, and this is 18 inches. This has 3 lights, like a cooler tone and a warmer tone, so it just helps you get your makeup videos like really amazing. And now with reels on Instagram, I think it's a good use. Okay, so I'll leave all of the links of these products in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And yeah, if you like any product and you buy it, do tag me on Instagram and tell me that you bought it on my recommendation. And thank you for sticking by, and do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to this video. Yep. Also, if you have any video recommendations, do let me know in the description below, like in the comments below, so that I can manage and shoot that video. Okay, until next time, bye.